by Suva. They get it out, and here they go. Kawakatini was the one who got that, and then finding his winger, Aisea Kubunakaravi. And Kubunakaravi shows everyone a clean pair of heels. 55 in the first half. Vere and Kubunakaravi in for the try. Grema have got it. Tuinayao Gemanavanoa sending it back to Vugi, coming in as the extra man in for the try, the fullback. Holy Cross trying to come on the counter. Now they'll go back. Suva have the inside the Grema 22. Line out on attack. Opportunity
this time, but still they failed to get it out of the field of play. Another big run by Aisea Kubunakaravi. They have it here, Suva. They kick it downtown. No pressure here for Suva. RKS. And getting their first try. Grema up by 7. Big run here from Ratu Aisea Kubunakaravi. This is a dream start from Suva. But you know, a team like Ratu Kandavulevu, Tui Makutu has come in. They failed to get that RKS. Play on, says the referee. Suva Grammar School, big care. And if they continue this momentum, Suva Grammar, it will be a Southern Zone final in the under-16. Here they come through again. This time it's Ratu Aisea Kubunakaravi.
Plowing over Timothy Gauna Venaka to get the try. Here's Suva again. Oh, good run. Kubunakaravi. Wasn't held, could go again. Now away from Vangi. Grema. Oh, stepping in. Suveneka. Gets a big pass away. Kubunakaravi. Now he gets taken out. Samuela Suka Jr. gets it away. Suveneka and then out wide. Kubunakaravi very close to the corner. Ralakuta. Sit up is good. Grema once again. Oh, straight through the middle. Now Junior looks to get that out. Opportunity here and out with his kick. Big play by the Suva Grema forwards. And even Aisea Kubunakaravi, the winger, got into that heavy traffic action. Then a beautiful finish from the blind side. Carried up well by Ralakuta, who's put on a big shift since he's come on off the bench. A high kick over the top that time from Suveneka. Suva Grema nailed the gospel defense player. It's there for Suva Grema. Picked up well. Kubunakaravi. Oh, makes a good run. Kubunakaravi now calls and waits for the Gospel High School, playing for pride. First time in the final. You have to give it to them. They've done well to get this far. But they've just met a very good Suva High School back deep inside their own territory, Soliano Kambara. Now Suva once again. This is Kubunakaravi.